Hello everyone, this is the continuation part of exercise 5.5 of continuity and differentiability. So here is the third question. Log x to the power cos x. Take it as y is equals to log x power cos x. Taking log on both sides, log y is equals to log of log x to the power cos x. As we know, log m power n is n log m, right? So log y is equals to log of cos x dot log of log x, right? Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x on both sides. So d by dx of log y is 1 by y dy by dx, because y is dependent variable, right? Then see, this cos x dot log of log x is in the form of u dot v, uv form. As we know, differentiation of uv is uv dash plus vu dash, right? So what is u here? Cos x. What is v? Log of log x, u as it is. Then differentiation of v dash is log of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 over x, but in the place of x I have log x, so 1 over log x, and we need to differentiate this log x. So differentiation of log x is 1 over x. Next, plus v. What is v? Log of log x. Now I need to differentiate this u dash. What is the differentiation of u? Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Cos x over log x 1 by x minus sin x log of log x. Now what is y here? When I take y to the RHS side, what is y? Log of log x to the power cos x, and cos x by log x 1 over x minus sin log of log x. This is your required answer. Now here's the fourth question. This is very important question. X power x minus 2 power sin x. See, whenever you see two functions having plus or minus, then put it as u and v. This as u and this as v. So take it as y is equals to u minus v. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to du by dx minus dv by dx. Consider this as equation 1. Now to find the answer, we need to find du by dx and dv by dx. Okay, let's find this. To find du by dx, take u is equals to x power x. See, we have variable to the power variable, so I can take log on both sides. Log u is equals to log x power x. This is in the form of log m power n. Log m power n is n log m, right? So log u is equals to x dot log x. Now next step is differentiate on both sides. When I differentiate log u is dependent variable, so I will get 1 by u du by dx. See, this x dot log x is in the form of uv. What is uv? d by dx of uv is uv dash plus vu dash What is u here? X. What is v? Log x. U is x. Differentiation of log x is 1 over x plus what is v? Log x. Differentiation of u dash is 1, right? So x get cancelled. When I take u here, what is u? X per x. 1 plus log x. We got du by dx. Consider this as equation 2. Now let's find dv by dx. For that, I'll take v is equals to 2 power sin x. See, here we have constant. This is not a variable. So I can't take log here. I need to take differentiation. We need to differentiate on both sides. So dv by dx is equals to d by dx of 2 power sin x. See, this is in the form of a power x. Differentiation of a power x is a power x log a d by dx of x. See, this is in the form of a power x, right? A is 2, x is sin x. Now substitute like that itself. What is a power x? 2 sin x. Then log a. What is a? 2. Then differentiation of sin x. 2 power sin x as it is. Log 2. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now we got dv by dx and also du by dx. Consider this as equation 2. Now from one, 2 and 3, dy by dx is equals to du by dx minus dv by dx, right? This is equation 1. In that I need to put equation 2 and equation 3 in the place of du by dx minus dv by dx. So what is dy by dx is, I got du by dx as x power x 1 plus log x minus dv by dx 2 power sin x log 2 cos x, right? Put here 2 power sin x log 2 cos x. This is your final required answer. Now we got dy by dx. Very important question.